hear rain and thundering. Okay, our first speaker. You guys can come around to see that. What do you want to tell us about the rainforest, sweetheart? If you're not ready, you can pass it to a friend and then we'll come back to you. Okay, Kaiya?
The rainforest, the things that they eat are bananas and berries and
Thank you. I'm going to pass it to someone. Thank you.
and also the things they eat are bananas, papayas, figs,
Okay.
and apples.
Okay, Micah, I know you learned something about the rainforest structure. You know about the 3 layers of the rainforest. Can you talk to us about that?
The emergent layer, the canopy layer, and the rainforest floor.
Thank you.
You can eat bananas.
I didn't hear you. What's the first part?
You can eat bananas.
Okay, thank you. We'll pass it to Ian. Lucy, you ready? Go ahead, honey. Okay. Okay, you can pass it to Ian. He was ready. Lucy, he's ready.
The rainforest, the rainforest rains a lot.
It does. Okay. Ian hasn't said anything. Thank you.
The rainforest rains a lot because the rainforest is called rainforest because it rains a lot.
Okay.
No, everyone did.
Excuse me. All right, Lucy, we're going to give it to you this time. This time is different. Hold on. It's on. Just talk. What is it you want to tell us and teach us? It's on, Lucy. Just talk. Tell me, and I'll tell the audience. What do you want to tell them? Oh, that's okay. So let's look in the rainforest. Maybe something here can help you look. Just look around the rainforest. The rainforest seems to have some different... Okay, that's okay. What do you want to say, Micah? What kind of animals are in the rainforest?
There are a few animals that some people don't know of. The one's called a Kaiya. There's a lot of animals in the rainforest, and the snakes, you can't see the snakes a lot because they're hiding to get the prey.
No, I just opened up. Okay, thank you. Can we give a round of applause for her? You want, okay, ladies, bring them in. Okay, Lucy has something to say. Oh, okay, they want to give you present you with flowers. That's very sweet. That was not scripted at all. That's awesome. Wow, thank you. That was really beautiful, girl. 1 second, Lucy has something to say for us. Okay, testing. Lucy, do the best job. That's all you can do. Yeah, tell us. You forgot? Okay, whenever you remember, no matter what we're doing, I'm going to pass you the mic, okay? Awesome, thank you. We're going to stop now. Okay, K110 children, join me. Parents, if you, now you take